Everyone, welcome back to Sunny Life Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. To all my subscribers, thank you so much guys for amazing support. And if you are new, you are welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and share this video. Guys, I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on Uzalo from the 16th to the 20th of November 2020 on Monday. Mamlambo cooks the mother of all breakfast for the family, only for Nosipo to ruin the mood in the house. Back at the pastor's house, Kapsile is moving swiftly along with Project Save Mamsi when she encounters a personal problem of her own on Tuesday. Mamlambo is nowhere to be found. Mamsi's righteous path is questioned. A war is brewing in Kuvugiland on Wednesday. Mangobo's return creates an unsettling atmosphere in the Mhlongo house. Kapsile finds herself fighting healthy scare. Sbu plays a dangerous game with his relationship to protect his tenant on Thursday. Mamlambo makes a huge sacrifice. Kapsile struggles to deal with the major health issues. Figile reaches boiling point with the tenant on Friday. Kapsile makes a passionate plea to God for her health to improve. Mangobo wants to be Nkunzi's right-hand woman. Nkunzi allowed her back in the fold of crime. Nonka suggests Figile finds a way to make sure Sbu deals with the mess he created, not her. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your thoughts. If you want the full episode, I can leave the link on the comment section. Bye.